But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today I'll be testing out the Edifier QD35. This powerful Bluetooth speaker is jam-packed full of amazing features. It's got an advanced sound amplifier and uses DSP technology to output high-resolution audio. The premium housing reduces acoustic resonance and really showcases the subwoofer and the tweeter. The QD35 comes with an auxiliary cable, a USB-A cable, and a power cable. It also comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth and a couple stickers so you can customize your speaker. The speaker is user-friendly and has two knobs on the side to control the volume and all the lighting effects. It also has two gallium nitride powered smart chargers with 35-watt charging capabilities. It has dual high-res audio inputs and is also certified for high-res wireless audio. You can connect with the auxiliary cable, the USB-A cable, or connect wirelessly through Bluetooth. If you download the Edifier app, you'll have full control over the QD35's amazing features. In the app, you can fine-tune and personalize the colors and the actions of all the lighting features. There's so many lighting effects to choose from, but the app makes it easy to customize and easy to use. You can also play music directly from the app and sync the lighting effects to match the music. All the lighting effects can also be applied with the knobs on the side of the Bluetooth speaker. If you don't have a Bluetooth device, you can always connect with the auxiliary cable. This auxiliary port fully supports high-resolution audio. If you have a laptop that doesn't have an auxiliary port, you can always connect with the USB-A cable. Connecting with the USB-A cable also fully supports high-resolution audio. It's finally time to connect to this Bluetooth speaker and see how it sounds. Let's give it a try. It should be noted that I'm recording this audio through my camera's microphone. The sound quality of the speaker absolutely blew me away, and this recording does not do it justice. The lows are crisp, smooth, and clear, and if I increase the sound, that subwoofer kicks in nicely. The Edifier QD35 is one of the best Bluetooth speakers I've tested so far. If you'd like to learn more about it, check out the link below.